I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python using Harvard's excellent resources. We'll explore the structured path they offer, designed to take you from a beginner to a confident programmer. You'll discover how to access their world-class content, understand the core curriculum, and leverage their teaching methods to build a strong foundation in Python. Get ready to embark on an exciting learning adventure. Harvard's CS50P, or Introduction to Programming with Python, is your primary resource. This course is specifically tailored for Python, covering topics from functions and variables to file I/O and object-oriented programming. You'll work through engaging problem sets each week, applying what you learn directly. The lectures are incredibly clear, making complex ideas easy to grasp, and the community support is fantastic. While CS50P is Python-specific, Harvard's broader CS50 course, Introduction to Computer Science, also features Python prominently. This course provides a wider perspective on computer science, touching on C, SQL, and JavaScript, alongside Python. It's perfect if you want a more holistic understanding of how programming fits into the larger computing landscape, offering a robust foundation for any future tech endeavors. After completing these courses, the real learning begins with application. Start building small projects to solidify your understanding and explore new concepts. Engage with online communities like Reddit's r/LearnPython or Stack Overflow for help and inspiration. Remember, consistent practice is key. Harvard provides an incredible launchpad. Now it's up to you to keep coding and growing your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.